Now we will discuss the new concept in Java, that is punctuator. What is punctuator? We have to learn first. Punctuator are the punctuation signs used in Java programs. These signs have a special meaning in Java program, and we are using punctuators are, this is question mark, colon, semicolon and dot. Now in this the main important punctuator is semicolon. Why we are using semicolon? The name of this is semicolon. Semicolon is also known as statement terminator. Fine. The next one is dot. Dot is used to assess the method of a class with the help of its object. Now the next important concept after that is separator. What is separator? These are some special symbols used to separate statements, variables or characters. We have following types of separators. The first we have here small braces, curly braces, square bracket and comma. Why we are using the small bracket? It is used to write a mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. It is used to write a set of statements. Why we are using to enclosed a group of statements. Next is square bracket. It is used to represent array, and comma is used to separate variable. It is used to separate variable. Fine. So these are punctuators. What are the punctuators? Punctuators are the punctuation signs which is used in Java program. We have 4 type of punctuators. Only these 2 are important. This will be used as a ternary operator that you will learn later. And separators we have 4 type: small braces, curly braces, big braces, and this is comma. Now the next important concept in Java programming is escape sequences. Escape sequences. So what are escape sequences? A escape sequence is a special character in a Java program which is always preceded with a backslash and followed by a single character. Whenever you will see a character preceded by a backslash. Dear students, you always have a confusion in backward slash and forward slash. The slash which is slightly towards the left side is known as backslash. A character preceded by a backslash is known as escape sequences. Fine. And these symbols has a special meaning in Java compiler. Now we have, and always the escape sequence will be enclosed in a double quotes. So we have first several we will discuss main which we are using in the programming. We have double quotes, backward slash, and this is used for new line. Then we have, if you want to insert a tab, insert a tab, this is for horizontal tab. Next we have double quotes. If you want to put double quotes in a string, then we have a single quote. These are the 4 examples of escape sequence. So again I will repeat. Escape sequence, a character preceded by a backslash, is known as escape sequence. These symbols has a special meaning in Java compiler. First one is new line. This is insert a tab, horizontal tab, double quotes, single quotes. Thank you.